Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an oil-free healthy snack made with Jowar Poha, also known as Jowar Flakes. This healthy and traditional snack will stay good for up to a month at room temperature and a healthy tea time snack for the whole family. Let's get started with the recipe. To make this healthy snack, you just need 5 ingredients: half kg or 500 grams of hand pound Jowar Poha, also known as Jowar Flakes, 500 grams of jaggery, organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dirt or dust particles, half a cup of water, 1 whole fresh coconut grated, 10 to 12 cardamom seeds. I'm heating a heavy bottomed pan and I'm lightly roasting the Jowar Poha. Now the best thing about this healthy snack is that it will stay good for up to a month at room temperature. So it is an ideal snack to make and store. Stir well and lightly roast the Jowar flakes. And once it is nicely roasted, you can turn off the flame. How will you know whether the poha is roasted well? Just take a handful and crush. And once it crushes, you can know that the poha is nicely roasted. Transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. While the Jowar flakes are cooling down, let's get the other ingredients ready. Into my stone grinder and I'm crushing it. Once crushed, peel off the skin and grind the seeds to a fine powder. Once ground, keep it aside. Heat a heavy bottomed white kadai with half cup water. Add in 500 grams of jaggery. If you don't prefer 500 grams of jaggery, you can reduce it to 400 grams. Adjust jaggery as per your sweetness. So I am heating the jaggery and melting it and allowing it to come to one string consistency. Once the jaggery is melted, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow it to come to one string consistency. After about 1.5 to 2 minutes on low flame, you can see that the jaggery has come to a one string consistency. At this stage, I am adding in the grated coconut. This is 3 cups or 1 whole freshly grated coconut. And allow the coconut to simmer on low flame in the jaggery syrup. And make sure you keep stirring so that it does not get stick to the bottom of the pan and get burnt. If you prefer, you can add in fried raisins and nuts of your choice in this recipe. Keep on stirring. We don't want the jaggery to get stick to the bottom of the pan. Allow the coconut to simmer in the jaggery syrup for about 5 to 7 minutes. The idea is to reduce the moisture content in the coconut, as only then this will stay good for longer period. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. And this is how it looks after 7 minutes. And now I am adding in the freshly ground cardamom. Give it a stir. The flavor of freshly ground cardamom is amazing, so do not skip it. And lastly, add in the roasted Jowar flakes. Add in little by little, stir it. Again add little more, give it a stir. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. And give it a good stir. Mix it really well so that the jaggery mix is well coated over the Jowar Poha. It should take a couple of minutes. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. Once the jaggery mix has coated well over the poha, you can turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely, and then store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for up to a month. You can enjoy this healthy snack any time of the day. So I'm going to allow it to cool down and then I'll transfer to a airtight glass container. And once cooled down, transfer to an airtight glass container and it will stay good for up to a month at room temperature. And even after it is cooled, it is crispy. So you can enjoy this with the ripe plantains or have it on its own. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.